Did you know that the award for the longest speech in Genesis goes to Judah in chapter 44? Why is that so significant? Well, because Joseph had just finished setting up and framing their younger brother Benjamin, right? He puts this silver chalice in his sack of grain, and then he threatens to enslave Benjamin for the rest of his life, but the other brothers can go home. He's testing them. He wants to see what they're going to do. And Judah steps up then in this incredibly long speech, and he begs for Benjamin's life. He says, "Let me be a slave instead of Benjamin. I don't know what would happen to my father if Benjamin didn't come home. He would die of grief. So let me be a slave instead of the boy." And that's really beautiful because it's this ironic role reversal here. See, Judah was the one responsible for selling Joseph into slavery back in chapter 37. And now Judah is offering himself up as a slave to save his younger brother Benjamin from slavery. He wants to be a slave instead of his brother, and that's reversing selling Joseph as a slave. It's incredible here. And so he's redeeming himself in this chapter, and in that, he is a type of Jesus because Jesus is the one who steps in and saves us from slavery to Satan, sin, and death. And I think that's the reason why Judah gets the award for the longest speech. He redeems himself. He ultimately is going to be the one through whom the Redeemer comes, and in that he's a type of Jesus. That's the reason why Judah gets the award for the longest speech. If you enjoyed that and you want to learn more about the book of Genesis, I have a 14-part Bible study on the book at my website, scriptureandtradition.com, where you can get that class and other classes as well. I'll see you there. God bless you.